Hi everyone, welcome to Emergent Tech Guide, your gateway to emerging tech excellence. Today I will talk about some of key features of Python and just to highlight how it helps in artificial intelligence, machine learning and data science. Before we start, please join, subscribe to this channel and provide your likes. Enhance your skills through a less than 10-minute videos via this channel on daily basis on some of key topics and even the advanced topics. And also I request provide the topics you'd like us to cover in the comment section.
Firstly, it has a simple syntax. Python's clean and readable syntax makes it easy to express complex ideas in a concise and understandable manner. This is crucial in AI, ML, and data science, where code needs to be interpreted and maintained by researchers and the data scientists.
I would like to highlight about its extensive libraries. Python has rich libraries for scientific computing, data analysis. Libraries like NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, SciPy provide powerful tools for numerical operations, data manipulation, visualization, and scientific computing. Python has become the go-to language for machine learning with libraries such as scikit-learn, TensorFlow, and PyTorch. These libraries simplify the implementation of machine learning algorithms and enable efficient model training and evaluation. A lot of flexibility and interoperability. Python's versatility allows it to be seamlessly integrated with other languages and tools. This is essential for incorporating AI and ML models into existing systems. Those are some features I would like to highlight in this session. I provided examples, right? Simple Python code to calculate the mean of a list of numbers, and how can use NumPy to perform vectorized operations for faster computation, and using scikit-learn for a simple linear regression model from sklearn.linear model, import linear regression, and using Python to call a machine learning model from a web application. So I want you to try the examples and provide your feedback. Before end up, please again join, subscribe, and like this channel. Enhance your skills through a less than 10-minute videos via this channel on daily basis on advanced day topics and key topics. Don't forget to subscribe so that it provides an encouragement to do more videos like this. Have a good day to you. Bye.